Amyra.
Who are you?
I'm the broccoli. Why do you look so sad?
Because my mama told me I need to eat this broccoli. I don't like broccolis.
Your mother is a smart lady. She knows broccolis are healthy
How are they healthy?
because they give you energy.
How do they give us energy?
Oh, I see you have a lot of questions in your mind. But I'm not gonna answer them just like that. What if I show it to you?
What are you going to show me, broccoli?
I will show you the special journey a food takes inside your body. It's called the digestive system.
That sounds cool. Let's go.
Okay,
So when are we going?
in a minute. First stop, the mouth.
Look at those teeth. Aren't they scary? It's not a dream. It's a nightmare.
These big scary teeth are like chompers. They break food into tiny pieces. Amyra, watch out!
What's that? It looks slimy.
That's the saliva. It's the juice from our mouth that makes our food soft. Amyra, now time to go down the food slide.
A slide? That sounds fun.
Oh, it is. After we swallow, the food is automatically pushed down the esophagus.
Wait, why do I see two slides? Which way to go?
Very good observation, Amyra. One slide is for food, called the esophagus. It pushes food down to the stomach. It is also called as the food pipe. The other slide which you can see is called trachea, also known as the windpipe, because it carries the air we breathe up to the lungs.
Stomach, here I come.
Welcome to the stomach, Amyra. This is where the real magic happens.
Why is there liquid everywhere? That's good. I know how to swim.
That's stomach acid and special juices called enzymes. They help break down food into tiny bits so your body can use it for energy. Now, get ready to move to the next step.
Okay, let's start going. Ooh, another slide adventure.
Welcome to the small intestine, Amyra. This is where the food gets broken down even more and important nutrients are absorbed.
The tunnel is so long.
Yes, small intestine is about 6 meters long. That's as long as a school bus. But it's all curled up neatly inside your belly.
Wow, this place looks bigger. Where am I now?
Now you have reached the large intestine. Here, water is taken out from the leftover food and what's left turns into, well, poop.
Ew, this is where poop is made. It's very smelly here.
That's right. The large intestine helps your body get rid of waste. And I think you very well know where the waste comes out from.
Wow, now I know what digestion is. The food first it goes to the mouth, throat and stomach and intestine and out it goes.